Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, that's usually how I start my makeup tutorials. No, so today I'm actually going to be vlogging for the first time, which I have never ever done on my channel before. I just wanted to try out something new. I know that I've always said that I wanted to keep it beauty related in terms of the content that I upload on my Instagram or my YouTube as well, but I just thought there'll be a really nice casual way to just show you like a sneak peek of my life. I'm obviously doing this for the first time, so do let me know if you guys like this sort of content or not and what you would like to see in my vlogs as well. It's always gonna have a bit of beauty because that's what I'm passionate about. So yeah, don't worry about that. It's not just gonna be some random stuff that I just keep on showing. But as I mentioned that this is my first vlog, so do show some love, and I'm going to just take you through the stuff that I've been doing, and also I'm going to test out a new product for you as well. And yeah, let's just get started with our day. So I am in my bathroom right now, as you can tell, and I am going to be testing out this hair dryer right here, and this is by Agaro. Don't get confused because this one exactly looks like the Dyson one, as you can tell, and this is like the exact dupe of it in terms of the packaging and in terms of how the product looks like, obviously the product design. I don't know if it's going to be better than Dyson or not because I haven't personally tried the Dyson one, but I'm really excited to give this one a go. And this retails for only like 1,200 rupees, and there's a discount going on I think right now, so it's for 800 bucks only. So it's really inexpensive, and I love the design on this, honestly. You can also just do this to it, and then you can just carry it wherever you go. So it's a really convenient design, and for the price that you get, I think that the design is really good. Enough about the design. I'm actually going to test it out on my hair, and you can tell that I've just washed it. So this is how the hair looks like, and I'm going to start blow drying my hair now. And it has like different settings on it, as you can tell. I'm obviously going to go in with the lowest one because I don't like to use a lot of heat on my hair, and my hair dries really quickly because it's so fine. But if you have thick hair, you can probably go in with the the second setting that they have. So this is how my hair looks like, and I really love the way it looks currently, and I'm definitely going to keep using this hair dryer. I feel like it blow dried my hair really quickly first, and the design on this is really nice. It's very compact, you can travel with it as well, and it does not feel cheap whatsoever. It feels really good quality, especially for the price that you're paying. I feel like it's a really good product, and I would definitely keep using this, and I would recommend you guys to check it out as well. So this is the situation in my bathroom right now. I just wanted to show you. As you can tell, it has so much stuff, and I've carried all of these things from Mumbai because I wanted to shoot bridal content over here, and it's just filled with so much makeup. There is stuff over here as well. Yeah, this is actually hair. This is actually strips of hair for just like to add a bit of volume. And then there's a lot of jewelry as well over here, and yeah, my nail has come off, ignore that please. So yeah, this is my bathroom. I actually wanted to show you my room as well. I've just cleaned it, which is why it's at least looking a bit decent, and that is all of the bridal stuff. I actually wanted to show you some of the lehengas that I have, so yeah, maybe I'm just going to do that now. So these are some of them. This one is actually I wore at my sister's engagement a couple of years ago, so I'm just going to show you a picture of that. Then we have this one, which again has to be one of my favorites. I love the design on this and the work that they have done as well. It's really pretty, and all of these are from shops in Mumbai, so I'm going to link it down below so you can check it out for yourselves. Then this one I wore at my sister's wedding, and I'm not a big fan of this honestly because I feel like it's too heavy, but yeah. And these are all the ones that I got to shoot for my bridal content. This is actually from a shop in Santa Cruz, and I found some really good shops over there, so I'm going to list the address of that as well. It's really inexpensive for the kind of blouses and the designs that you get. this one is so stunning. Obviously needs some alteration. It's not going to fit me the way it is right now, but yeah, I just wanted to show you like a behind the scenes of the content. Look who's hiding here. Hi. Hello, what are you doing here? Angel. So this is usually the wall that I shoot in front of, especially when I'm in Pune. I really love this entire thing and how it looks in videos. I think it's artificial grass, that's it. And it's really low maintenance, and obviously it looks stunning in terms of, you know, when I shoot the content. And I just want to show you like a sneak peek of the living room. So I really hope that you enjoyed that as well. So I reached Mumbai last evening and I stayed at my sister's house because there is a lot of renovation going on. I don't know if you all can hear, but I mean, I know that you all want to see a room tour video as well, and I am dying to shoot it, trust me on that. But I am waiting on the renovations to get done, and as soon as they get done, that's the first thing that I'm going to do is shoot a room tour video with my makeup collection and everything. So yeah, and also this is the end of the vlog, and I really hope that you all enjoyed it. And I'm going to keep doing this because I personally had a lot of fun as well. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye bye.